In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to buy Live Nation pre-sale tickets. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how you can easily browse through pre-sale tickets on Live Nation and how to acquire them. So this will be primarily done through the website. You can also try following along through your smartphone on the website or the mobile app, but I'm gonna showcase how to do it on a PC. When you go to livenation.com, one of the options at the top is going to be pre-sales. So if you click this, you will be able to look through pre-sale shows near you. So you will set up your current location here. And once the location has been set up, you can enable certain filters. So if you want to filter it by genre or date range, go ahead and do this here. Apply the filters and all of the shows are going to appear. When you click on more info on any of these, you will be able to see details about the pre-sale. So at the top, the date in which the pre-sale is going to begin will appear here. It starts at this date and it ends a few hours after, and you can set up reminder. So if you click this, you will get the option to load this into a calendar as a reminder. If you scroll down, you will see more information, and you will be able to click View Ticket Information. This will redirect you to a page where you can actually see the tickets and see when the pre-sale begins. Sadly, there is no ongoing pre-sale for me to record at the moment, but if you click on this button when the pre-sale is currently open, you will be able to proceed to checkout to purchase this ticket. And this will work for any event that is labeled as pre-sale. So all that you have to do is choose the option View Ticket Info. You will be redirected to the appropriate website where you can finish making your purchase as soon as the pre-sale opens. Make sure to set reminders, alarms, and so on, and you will be able to purchase a pre-sale ticket on Live Nation. I hope I was able to help you on how to buy Live Nation pre-sale tickets. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.